Alright friends, so I want you to use this video to check your work. If I have 341 and I am multiplying it by 28, remember, what is the first thing we're going to do? We're going to start with our digit in the ones place on the bottom, and we're going to multiply it by all the digits in the top. Remember, in our video, that's what he said our little steps would be. So since we have 2 digits on the bottom, we're going to have 3 little steps for our digit 8, and then another 3 little steps for our 2, giving us 6 whole multiplication steps. So I have 8 times 1, which gives me 8. 8 times 4. If you don't know that right away, count by 8. 8, 16. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. So 8 times 4 is 32. But I can't just write my 32 at the bottom. Remember that magic word that we always say? We're going to regroup. So my 2 is going to go down there, and my 3 is going to get regrouped over the 3 in the hundreds place. So now I have 8 times 3. Well, we said 8 times 4 was 32, and when we counted, we said 8 times 3 was 24. But don't forget about that 3 that we regrouped, so 24 plus 3 is 27. And remember, both of our digits go underneath the line this time because we don't have any more digits to regroup to. So now don't forget that step. What do we do after we finish multiplying our number in the ones place by all of our digits up top? We add our magic 0. So now that I've added my magic 0 to hold my place, I'm going to be multiplying my number in the tens digit, which is 2. So I have 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. And I'm going to cross out this 3 because we don't need it this time since it belonged to when we were multiplying with our 8. And then last but not least, 2 times 3 is 6. Now I have both of my partial products here. And what do we do when we have partial products? We add them together. I'm going to go ahead, and I'm going to write my answer over to the side just so you can see it because they don't have any more room underneath. So I have 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 2, 4. 7 plus 8. 7 plus 7 is 14, so 7 plus 8 would be 15. Regroup that 1. 6 plus 2 is 8. Don't forget about that 1, which makes it 9. So our answer, the answer you should have gotten on the last slide, is 9,548.